Do not eat tomatoes, grow them at home. Uttar Pradesh Minister statement viral. CBSE student can now learn in 22 languages.
அடங்கியான் தோற்றம் மலையும் மானம் பெரிது. பொருள் தன் நிலையில் இருந்து மாறுபடாமல் அடங்கியான் ஒழுங்கனுடைய உயர்வு மலையின் உயர்வை.
We will start looking for employment, isn't it? We'll be in search of job. Am I right? 20 to 30. If you are seriously looking for a financial growth and development in your life, 20 to 30, choose a right company, right organization, right boss and right leader. Don't think of money. Learn all the skills, competencies from the leader. Gain more knowledge and experience. Then from 30, in the same domain, whichever you have chosen, either it is education, software, medicine, pharma, any field,